Hello and welcome back to my channel. We are taking a break from our regularly scheduled programming because we have a situation that needs to be addressed. Somebody send help. Okay, this is embarrassing and has gotten out of control. Doing projects and stuff, I just dump all the extra stuff in here, all the sawdust and everything from all the wood that I cut. My tools aren't organized. It's just a bunch of random stuff. All right, I think the first thing I want to do is these cabinets. So the house came with these cabinets in the garage, which is great, but they're like not attached super great. They're hanging off the wall. So I want to get those secured into studs and then we can organize them. You know what I don't feel like doing today? Anything. I just want to lay in my bed and eat brownies. But instead, I'm going to finish this garage and work and eat brownies. Balance. Follow me for more life tips. But for real, subscribe. Yesterday was super productive. We got all of that done and some tools over there. And today, we have to do the rest of these tools. Need to go on this pegboard. Okay, I'm getting ready to paint this door. I am not going to prime it, and here's why. If it were a brand new door, like, I would definitely prime it because it would be a smooth surface. Since it's already been painted, I'm just gonna scuff it up with a really low grit sandpaper just to make it a little bit rough, and then the paint should adhere better. And also, I'm not gonna prime it because I'm actually going in with a darker color. If the door were dark and I wanted it light, I would prime it first. But for all those reasons, we're not gonna prime first. It's just gonna take a couple coats of paint. Before I paint, I'm removing the weather stripping right here from the door because it's different colors and it probably needs to be replaced. See, that one's like a tan, that's black up there. So I'm just gonna replace the weather stripping. It's easy, it just pops right out. this was absolutely unnecessary for a garage, but these little knobs are so much cuter than the other ones, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace them on the rest of these cabinets. Got the new weather stripping. We just have to trim it to the size of our doors and then install it. It just pushes right in. I want to make a cute little sign for the door coming into the garage. I'm gonna cut it out with my Cricut, but first I'm gonna design it on the laptop, and then the Cricut will cut it in vinyl and we can just stick it to the door. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I know it wasn't a big room transformation, but this video made it so much easier for me to have a workspace so I can transform other rooms. So make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss all of the projects. I have so many projects planned that are gonna be coming up in the future. Thanks for watching, bye. I want to make a cute little sign for the garage door. Thanks so much for watching today's garage makeover. It wasn't a big room transformation, but